Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you did your Undated planner. So once you open this one, the GoodNotes apps, and you open the planner. So you will come to this cover page and you click at this area. It will come to an index page where from here you can actually have a quick link direct access to the other pages. So to go to the month spread, you can either choose from here or you can actually choose from the function tabs at the right side of the planner. So now I'm going to show you how I did for the month of June. So once you come to here, because this is an undated planner, so you need to fill out the dates on your own. So let's open a calendar. So once you open it, and you can see you can actually refer to your calendar and copy the dates over here. Alright, let's do it. Okay, now we have finished putting all the dates in month of June. So next it's we go to the week view. So by clicking this one, so the 1st of June is fall on Wednesday. So when we click this week, we can actually come to this side. So the first week of June is, let's put it down, is the week of 1st June until 5th June. Alright, next 1st of June actually fall on Wednesday. Alright, and from this page actually go to the 1st of June date view. So here you can actually put a date of today. Okay, once I've done that, so this is Wednesday. Okay, so from here you can continue the rest of the date, and on this side you can actually click here, either go to the month spread or to the weeks spread. Let me show you. So when you click here, you can actually go back to the week view, and this icon it's actually go back to the month view. Alright, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you to plan using this Undated planner.